Hello everyone out there in YouTube land. I hope you're doing fantastic. Thank you for tuning into our channel and watching our videos. The home that I'm about to take us on a tour of is absolutely amazing. It features 5+ bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and loads of upgrades. But first, a bit about Gilbert, Arizona. It has 6 zip codes and is one of the safest towns in America. Go ahead, fact check that. I'll wait. Okay, now that you know that that's gospel, let's move on to the tour. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. My contact information can be found there as well. And if you need anything in the realm of Valley of the Sun real estate, our team would be honored to help, be it buying and or selling, renting, investing, upsizing, or downsizing. And for those of you who are thinking about relocating here to Arizona, make sure you ask for, in fact, do it right now. There's a link below that will send you a free and beautiful Arizona relocation guide. So go ahead, click the link, give us a very little bit of information, and we'll give you tons of data on Arizona and all that there is here. Okay, enough yippity yapping. Let's get on to this beautiful home. I'll check in a little bit later just to make sure you're still here. No, joking you. To tell you a little bit more about it. But right now, let's really get into some of these pictures. As promised, I'm back. I hope you're enjoying the tour thus far. There's more to come, so don't leave anytime soon. Well, it's almost done, so you can leave as soon as it's over. That makes sense. Can you do me a couple of easy favors? 1, click that subscribe button. I mean, you knew that was coming. But 2, and this one's very helpful to our team, in the comments, let us know what you thought about this video. Did you notice that the home sits on a cul-de-sac? Did you see the RV gate? Probably. Did you happen to see that there's enough cement pad in that ginormous backyard to park a cruise ship? Look again if you didn't. Lastly, there is no way that beautiful private pool escaped your eyes. Okay, let's finish up the video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care.